All right, I have no idea what to do right now. I have this basic material. As you can see, I'm using the stock texture right here. So just very shortly, what I'm doing is I'm displaying this with a color, and this acts also as a mask that goes into the opacity. It's pretty much the same material that Unreal Engine 5 has inside its engine folder. So I just added the multiplication here, but that's pretty much it. So I'm absolutely sure that the settings themselves are correct for the material, right? So it's translucent, it's surface, default lit, two-sided, whatever. Now, one of the first things that I saw is the following, and you're probably wondering why it's so high. It's because if I go above a certain level, I see this, which is kind of strange, and I thought, well, maybe it's just some driver problem. So I said, okay, no problem. So I took this, and as you can see, let me just lower it where we don't have this problem. As you can see, there's absolutely nothing around it. It's pure transparency as it should be. Now, uh, this is a material. I made a material instance. I just changed the color. Everything is perfect. You can see there's perfect transparency around and inside of the Unreal logo. So everything is good. But here's what I did with some scene in mind. Now, let me just show you. So I have here a couple of objects, like this, neon bulb, sun type of thing, some floating text, and some glassy wannabe, objects and gems, spheres, whatever. On the wall, I have a glossy version of this Unreal texture that I made. It's not the material that I just showed you. It is just using that texture, and it's a decal. And as you can see, there's the reflection of the small sun there. So everything is pretty much okay. Now, when I go here on this other side, you will see a plane with the material that I show that basically I've showed you guys in the beginning of the video. Right off the bat, I see some very ugly noise that I have no idea how to get rid of or why it's there. Then, when I'm looking through what's supposed to be transparent or like pure transparent areas, first of all, it is not transparent. It kind of has this weird tint, like a bluish, tint that's not fully transparent, as you can see, and also it kind of messes up with the edges here with the anti-aliasing. Uh, all in all, it's weird. But then when you go on the other side, it's like, oh crap, it's even weirder. The decal itself is no longer visible. The wall is, the sky is, and also the text is no longer visible. But guess what? The text is no longer visible while it's in between this, glass window, however you wish to call it, and the wall behind it. Because as soon as I'm going somewhere where the wall is not behind the text, I can see parts of the text, but then again, if there's something behind the text, like for example the floor, again the text becomes invisible. So the decal is messed up, the text is messed up, and also um, what's with this blue tint? Why is it not fully transparent? Why is there such high noise? Why does it mess with the anti-aliasing? And why does it mess with the rendering of these translucent objects? I mean, here you can kind of see, right? There's this blue gem behind, so you can kind of see through this glass ball. But as soon as I go behind this weird sign of ours, it's almost like they no longer become translucent. I mean, those spheres are no longer translucent. They're kind of opaque but still shiny. So anyway, I messed a little bit with the settings. Initially, it had one additional problem, meaning that all of these shadows that you see right here, they were getting disabled. So yeah, as soon as I was going behind this sign right here, the shadows were disappearing. So all in all, I'm really lost for words. I have no idea. There's so many problems. Just I have no idea what's the source of it. Is it like some local thing of mine? Is it some problem that's still unresolved with Unreal 5, with some Lumen, with some ray tracing, path tracing? I have no idea. Is it some engine settings that I should be looking into? Is there some material problem? But then again, why should there be? Because here there's no such issue apart from this weird one. But that's besides the point. So yeah, all in all, I have no idea. It's way too many problems, and this should have been, or it should have gone silky smooth and straightforward, in my opinion, since the preview shows a very simple, you know, rendering of this thing. And then again, I mean, there's nothing going wrong here. I actually took this material from the engine folder and just added the multiplication. If I remove it, it's still the same. So yeah, from this little thing, I started questioning basically everything because it completely messes up everything, like the decal, the text. Yeah, uh, everything that I showed. And who knows if I would have some more complex things in this scene and I would be looking at them through this sign right here. Who knows what other artifacts might pop up. So please let me know if you guys have any suggestion on just what might be happening right here because I'm going bananas and I'm not seeing any solution. So yeah, thank you so much for your help. Yeah, keep in touch, please. Let me know what you might be able to contribute with. So, thank you.